Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure iPhone 15 Plus for a senior person. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings, then find the accessibility. Then there's display and text size. Now we can enable bold text. As you can see, it makes all of the font on this device a bit thicker. Then there's larger text. We need to enable larger accessibility sizes and adjust the size of the text with the slider. When we go back, you can see that the text becomes much bigger. Then we have that is all inside these options. Next one would be to zoom, and here we can enable the zoom. Now to use it, we need to use our three fingers, double tap to zoom in or zoom out when this function is enabled. Then there's drag three fingers to move around the screen when it's zoomed in, just like that. And there's also option to adjust the zoom size by double clicking and then moving our fingers up and down. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.